The Climate Action Plan is part of our obligation to the American College and University's President's Climate Commitment. What it is it's the actual plan that we have to implement over the next 10 years to reach carbon neutrality by 2020. That plan is being developed by a group of faculty, staff, and students who are developing both short-term and long-term goals to help us reach that 2020 mark. There's several areas that actually contribute to our campus carbon footprint, and those areas include transportation is a really big one. Energy, of course, is the biggest contributor, about 40% of our campus carbon footprint. And other things are maybe a little bit smaller, things like our food waste on campus, our general recycling and landfill waste. And then just sort of the everyday impact of our students, faculty, and staff on campus. The university has taken on several sustainability initiatives. Obviously, because transportation and energy are the two biggest impacts on our campus, those are the areas we tend to focus on most. In terms of energy use on campus, our Capital Assets and Services Department is doing quite a lot to ensure that our systems are as efficient as possible, things like our boilers. They also work to make sure that when we're building new construction, we're building to LEED Silver or better standards. LEED stands for Leadership in Environment and Energy Design. And so they're making sure that those buildings are as efficient and running in as green a way as possible. Some other things that we've got going on in terms of energy is something new called the Green U card. The Green U card is something that a student can buy at the university bookstore for $30. And that $30 buys them renewable energy credits, which offset their electricity use in the residence halls for 1 year. So that's a really neat way on an individual level that our students can get involved in reducing the campus carbon footprint. Some other areas in transportation include things like the EcoPass, which is a free city bus pass that all faculty and staff have access to, as well as our Yellow Bike program, which all faculty, staff, and students have access to. On the individual level, reducing your carbon footprint really means being aware of your everyday usage, waste, and general impact on the environment. So awareness is the first thing that's important for an individual. And so that means taking that awareness and taking small steps to improve the way that you live that reduces your impact. This could mean changing your light bulbs to CFL light bulbs so that you're reducing your energy needs. It can mean something as simple as turning off the lights when you leave a room, or maybe taking a slightly shorter shower than you're used to. So it's really small steps that are going to aggregate into a big impact.